Sprinklr will automatically import posts that are posted through the native platform. When this happens, these posts are not tagged with the custom fields that would normally be applied during the publishing process. Not to worry, these can be added after the fact through the editorial calendar. The easiest means to find posts that need to have custom fields apply is through filtering. You're going to go to Campaign, filter using Auto Import, choose both if you see two. And you'll see now this is only showing posts that have the campaign icon with auto import. This means these were posts that were scheduled or posted natively and auto imported into Sprinklr. Find each post, double click on it to open the Edit Post panel, then go to the Properties tab, and apply your custom fields. After you've added all your various custom fields, change Campaign to Default. This will ensure that this post does not appear when you're filtered to auto import, and the auto import filter will only show posts that have not had their custom fields updated. It is a best practice to make a habit of this. Set a calendar reminder to regularly filter your editorial calendar by auto import campaigns, update the custom fields, and change the campaign type on each post. Then the next time you repeat this process, the only posts that will appear in your auto import filter are new posts that require custom fields. Doing this on a regular basis will ensure that your reports are accurate. Be sure to do this before pulling any regular reports, such as monthly performance reviews.